Yeah. All right, guys. Ham sandwich down. Dog laying in the sun, digesting like always. Haven't even touched the trucks. Don't need to. Vegas gonna start right up. Let's try this old Grubby cam first here. See if we can get this thing going. What do you think, guys? Think we can get it going? I don't know. Might have to try to see. Try to see what the other camera is doing. They both should stay running. I think. I would hope. Yeah. So anywho, it's see if we can get this thing to link up. Sometimes it wants to, sometimes it don't. Come on now, get a hold of it. Get a hold of it. We ain't gonna do this all day. Enable preview. Yeah, what we got going on here? Are we active? Yeah, we're active, all right. Right down the hood of the truck. So, hopefully this thing doesn't bounce around everywhere. But while that's going, or while it acts like it wants to go anyway, we're gonna get this bad boy fueled and started and get him running. What happens, happens, guys. What happens, happens. If we get any good footage out of it, we do. If we don't, we don't. If we don't, we don't. Breaking the buggy in today is what we primarily wanted to do, and we did that. Complete success at that. So yeah, we're in business. Crank him up. Turn him on. The radio on. Model Grubby. Working. Glow plug warmer. Check. Start truck. Check. Every time, guys. Every time. Every time. Grubby cam. Whoop. This sucker's so rich. Gotta work him out. Ugh. Yeah, I did something in my hand while I was sleeping, guys. My whole hand feels like locked up. Like it's got the gout. Little lean, little lean. Oh yeah. Something's going on with the tank, guys. He died right out. What we got going on with the tank, fellas? What we got going on with the tank? We ain't going through this crap today, boys. Gonna lean, richen that up. I'm gonna get in here and gonna richen that up. You still recording? Good. Whoa, guys. What the hell's going on? Like something fell into the carburetor. Uh-oh. We ain't never had a problem with Grubby truck. Now the voodoo's on Grubby truck? This ain't good, guys. This ain't good. It ain't good when your prize stallion decides to have a fit. Even though we did just dump half a tank of VP fuel in it. VP. Don't know. Might not be no Grubby cam, fellas. This could be a little weird. It definitely acts like it's sucking air from somewhere. That's for damn sure. And everything's tight. Everything's good and tight. Falls on its face. Little weird, fellas. Little weird. Little weird. Last time we were out here, remember, it ran fine. 3-speed, baby. Extremely too lean. Keep losing my GoPro. Grubby cam. Three-speed, baby. Since the Grubby cam is solid now, I tighten the shit out of it. Oh, Grubby cam took a lick. Oh, come on, you gotta be kidding me. I don't know what's going on with my truck, but it even acts like it's setting up higher than what it was, which is kind of impossible. It's got the same shocks on it. Everything on it's the same. It even looks like it's standing up higher. Freaky. Definitely there's some shenanigans at play. Somebody snuck into my house and messed with all my settings. Because remember the other day, he was running so good when we parked him. It was what, 3 or 4 days ago? And I have adjusted that out. I've adjusted that high end out about 3 full turns. I mean, a lot, a whole lot. Oh, it says it's still recording. Huh? We'll have to see. This one right here should still be recording too, but it says it ain't there. Now that was still recording too. Well, they're both still recording, so we'll see what's going on. Anywho, yeah, this is weird, guys, because that high end's about where it's supposed to be at, and trust me, I've richened it up a lot since we've been here. And the low end too. I've richened that low end up, and it's still punchy. Up. Now they can turn the idle back up again because the weather's cooled off a little bit, so we're going to crank that idle up about 3/4 of a turn, a little halfway past midnight, and get it going. That low end still sounds a little lean. Oh no, the Grubby cam. Go lean. Oh, there went the Grubby cam. GoPro went flying. GoPro's in the dirt. Pulled them out right off it. Fun stuff, guys, fun stuff. Yeah, it's so fat right now, it's ridiculous. How'd I lose a purple body clip? B, quit. Slung that body clip somewhere. It's gone. Oh, that was a good one, guys. Everything's wrecked. Body's off it. Grubby cam's down. Pulled all the body pins through. All right, we're gonna kill the Grubby cam. Smoke show, guys. Oh, we lost a tank pin. Never had that happen before. That's a new one. The curse, guys. The curse is back. The curse is back. Oh, man. Yeah, I'll tell you what, guys. I had the brakes on this sucker and everything really good when I parked it. This is weird. I'm serious. These needles were so bad, so lean that didn't make any sense. So yeah, we know it ran like a scalded dog in the last video when I put it up. Ran like a scalded dog. We don't want that much, because remember it was flipping over. We want a little bit. Yeah, we'll try that. Grubby cam still going. Grubby cam got tore off. How do the kids do that? This shit, whatever the fuck this, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, that's what us old guys do. All right, fellas, let's make it happen, Captain. Let's make it happen. Yeah, it just acts like it's all sort of discombobulated today, don't it? Yeah. Whoa, brakes work too much. Look at that lean. How lean it is on the top end. Watch this, guys. Full turn out. Full turn out on top of what I've already done. Come on, guys, come on. See that? All that fuel I just dumped into that. I backed that top end needle out a whole nother turn, and it ran great. There's no lean out on the high end. So maybe I got some dirt in here. Maybe I got some carburetor issues going on. Maybe. And we come out here to tune the paint truck, and Grubby truck's taking all the attention. Look at that, look at that. Look at that, guys. It should start right back up again. See, it's killing itself out. Oh, come on. Damn it. It's also running out of fuel really, really quick, too. And don't know why. Oh. Yep. Yeah, boys. Never a dull moment in the life of RC cars. Oh, I bent the head down, did I? A little bit. We did. Yes, we did. People are driving like idiots today. Holy shit. Yeah, buddy. There, brakes are good. Running good again. Still got pull. Got all 3 gears. No choking. Idle's a little high, but we knew that because we just leaned out the bottom end like 4 hours. Because on the pinch test, it was at about 8 seconds. Way too rich. This is what Grubby ran like the last time we drove him. Flying. Monster. They call this the first person view. Oh, look at him go. Tumble bumble. Oh, no, we can get to this one time. As long as the G-forces didn't bleed it out. Come on, clear yourself out. Then fatten that back up a little bit. Yep, yep. He's hot, boys. got my punch. That low end seems lean. We'll add a little bit to it. Yeah, it's battling for fuel. You got something in here that's dirty. Not to mention all this fluid building up around this boot. I don't like that either. Look at that. Yep, that's where it's probably coming from right there. Sure enough, fellas. Sure enough. Got a glitch in the mainframe. Yeah. Idle up, idle down, idle up, idle down. Need to get in here and clean the motor up. It's been many moons since it's happened. No big deal. It's part of the game, boys. It's part of the game. Why it still starts right up every time. Yep, loading up. I cranked the idle up on it to see how long it would idle for. It's not burning. It's not burning deep enough. Unless you guys know something I don't. It's awful funny. It didn't like that BP fuel. It really liked Sidewinder 30%, but not BP. None of this happened until I put BP in it. Just saying, just saying. Get up! We'll try it, boys. Oh, that was a mistake. Body clip. Oh, and he lands on all fours like a rock star. Lost an engine clip. Oh, come on, man, really? Then again, like I said the last time, could be the clutches. It could be a lot of things. This truck hasn't been taken apart and cleaned in, ooh, 6 months, 8 months. Been rode hard, put away wet every time. Who knows? It could be literally anything. Anything. Ooh, it's taking an ass whipping. Taking a downright beating. Beating it is. See right there, it should run. No problems. Just baked all of its fuel. Mm-hmm. Acts like there's nothing there. Oh, boys. Look at that. Did you see that? Look at that cut. That's a cut. And it can't get up there high enough to do it up there. That looks like a slice. I mean, I know nobody can get in my apartment. At least they better not be. But, yeah, that's a little fucked up. Actually, that's a lot of fucked up. And I don't bring any spare fuel line with me. No, I do not. That better have happened on one of these jumps. That's all I got to say. It's a conspiracy, guys. It's a conspiracy. Nitro addicts snuck in my house and booby-trapped my trucks. Nitro addiction snuck in my house and booby-trapped my trucks. You heard it here first, boys. Heard it here first. He's jealous of the suaveness of the Grubby truck. He might have 47.5 Savages, but he ain't got no Grubby truck. The Grubby truck is one of a kind. I know what you're doing, Nitro addiction. I got your number. Literally, I do have your phone number. Dude, I done knocked all the head straps out of this sucker, boy. He took a beating today. See how it pressurizes. Is that right, Bob? I did. You come in and get a drink, huh? Did you get you some vodka? A little smoother now, ain't it, fellas? Without the gas line being ripped in half. Huh. Lost my low end, so now we'll put that back. That's about perfect right there. Yes, it is. Come on, man. I just fixed him fucking brake. I got a shorter fuel line on it now. Lost some of my punch, but there's the double idle from being lean. Fucking VP fuel. And I haven't even got an email about my Sidewinder yet. Hey, Maine better be hurrying the fuck up. All I'll say. That is all I'll say. Yeah, that was the lean, if you guys were hearing at the end. But it tends to run a little better when your fuel line ain't got no fucking holes in it, huh, guys? All right, Nitro Addiction, I got you. I got your number. Sabotaging my shit. I got your number. I'll put him on blast. Everybody knows. I'm messing with him. He'll come booby trap your shit. Needles will be all messed up, fuel line will be sliced, tires will have holes. I'm surprised tires ain't on backwards. Probably should have said that. Now he'll come back and do that. All right, guys, I'm gonna take care of him, get that GoPro off him, fire that little sumbitch up, and see what happens. Enough funning around with this sucker, but yeah, it ran really good when we parked it the last time, and this time, not so much. Not so much this time. He didn't want to run this time. But I'm serious, the needles were jacked up. When I looked in there and seen that high end screwed halfway down the tube, I'm like, what the fuck? Why? Because I had to richen it the last time. I had to richen the shit out of it, not lean it. I said I wanted to run fat. Got it on video. So yeah, I don't know why it would have been so lean for. I'm telling you, got the goddamn Nitro Addiction got in here and whammied my shit. Yeah, that's all there is to it. Now I'll take that to my grave. Probably had fucking Hoffman guy with him too, helping him out, or Rinks. One of them suckers sabotaged me. No, it was Mark Hunt. Because Mark lives right here. Yeah, Mark did it. All right, Mark. I know where you live. Got your number too. Might have been that Lotus dude. That Lotus dude's from Michigan too. You can't trust the Michigan fuckers, I'm telling you. Can't trust none of them. None of them. Remember I said that. All right, guys, I'm gonna put this fucker away and get him down and see if he wants to make some noise. If not, we're gonna pack it up and call it quits. But if not, if you liked what you seen, if you didn't like what you seen, if you think I can't tune with the shit, if you see something else going wrong, if you think I got high or drunk the other night and cut my own fuel lines just to blame it on Nitro Addiction, put that in the comments. I would. But anyway, if you guys liked what you see, man, give me a like, consider subscribing to the channel, check out my other stuff. It's like this every day. It's never a boring moment around me. And wait till the snow flies and we put the paddles on and go out and play in the slush. It's gonna be a riot. Riot, I tell you. Insulate the head, keep that motor hot, and go to town. Free bath, man. All the water. It keeps it clean. All right, boys. I'll catch you in a minute. Peace.